Parents are the first teachers in a child's life, but after this, it is our teachers who mentor, guide, and shape us into the people we become later in life. Yes, today on this Teachers' Day, we honor and remember Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. Since the year 1962, Teachers' Day is celebrated in India on September 5 every year to honor Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, who was the first Indian philosopher, political leader, and the second president of independent India between 1962 and 1967. Before serving as the second president of India, he was also the first vice president of India from 1952 to 1962. Not only this, he was the second ambassador of India to the Soviet Union between 1949 and 1952. Dr. Radhakrishnan is named as synonymous with academics and education in India. Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan was born on September 5, 1888 in Tirutani, Madras district. The area now officially falls in Tamil Nadu's Tiruvallur district. Dr. was deeply believed that teachers should be the best minds in the country. So, let's discuss some lesser known facts about Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. He completed his master's degree in philosophy in 1906 and later became professor by profession. He was knighted in 1931 by Britishers. Since then he was addressed as Sir, but later he changed to Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan in 1947. In 1946, he was elected to the Constituent Assembly and served as ambassador to UNESCO and later to Moscow, Russia. He was awarded Bharat Ratna 1954, Peace Prize of German Book Trade 1961, the Order of Merit 1963, and the Templeton Prize 1975 for promoting the idea of a universal reality of God that embraced love and wisdom for all people. Interestingly, he donated all his prize money to Oxford University. Oxford University started the Radhakrishnan Chevening Scholarships and the Radhakrishnan Memorial Award to honor Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. In 1962, his birth anniversary on 5th September started to be celebrated as Teachers' Day. He was the founder of HelpAge India, a non-profit organization for underprivileged people and elders. He was nominated 16 times for the Nobel Prize for his contribution to literature. Between the year 1933 to 1937, he was nominated 5 times for the prestigious Nobel Prize in Literature. He accepted only rupees 2,500 out of rupees 10,000 salary and donated the remaining amount to the Prime Minister National Relief Fund every month. He also was the first person to be awarded the coveted Sahitya Academic Fellowship. Some of his best books were Philosophy of Rabindranath Tagore, An Idealistic View of Life, The Hindu View of Life, Kalki or The Future of Civilization, Gautam the Buddha, The Religion We Need, India and China, and several others. British officers used to come for his instruction in Telugu and Sanskrit because he had a good command on these languages. Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan thought Tagore's philosophy to be the genuine manifestation of the Indian spirit and penned his first book, The Philosophy of Rabindranath Tagore. That's all in today's session. See you soon.